to the party scene tonight. Oh, it's alright. So get up and let this funky melody get you in the mood. Cause I know it's alright. Keep the DJ, keep on moving. Keep on moving. Don't stop moving. Don't stop moving.
Keep on moving.
Let me see you go. Let me see you go. Back
and forth.
Woo! Let me see you go back
and forth.
Back for the floor.
Back and forth. Back and forth.
It's Friday, and I'm ready to sing. Pick up my girl into the party sing. Oh.
Okay, you don't sing the English version.
Oh yeah, sing it.
You want to know now?
Oh yeah.
Mo fẹ́ lọ jayé lálálẹ́ Friday o. Orí ọlọ́pàá, ó wá say stop and search. Orí ọlọ́pàá, ó wá say stop and search. They go say anything for the boys, anything for the boys. Do something new. Today na Friday, Joe. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni do something new. Owó náà fi ń do something new. Owó náà fi ń do something new. Daddy. Kí lẹ ṣe fún mọ́mí daddy? Come on, daddy. You like chef for mommy daddy. For lower bed. Do something new.
Hey, she groove on the Friday P.
Nade.
Over.
Yeah. So, thank you very much. So I just want to come and tell you that people pray for me in the Twitter place.
Yes.
You understand? That is why I'm not very okay. Because I woke up, I have a testimony.
Testimony time.
I woke up this morning
and
I said to myself, I said, Mayawa. Mayawa said, I said, Mayawa. Mayawa said, I said, Mayawa, you're going to go up now. You're going to go to war. You're going to come on Paddy show. And you're going to do it. You're going to drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pin never says, drop it like it's hot.
Sister Mayawa.
Drop it like it's hot. When you're drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When there's something, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Now back to testimony. Then I got to the office. And I look at myself. And I say, Mayawa again. And Mayawa say, I say, you gotta do it. And Ogbalo say, I say, Ogbalo, I'm okay. Let's do it. Let's roll it. Let's move it. And we are here.
Oh, Lord. Thank you.
Somebody give me some water, please.
Oh, sister, take water.
Somebody give me some water.
Take it.
Go.
Hey.
There we go. Yes.
Offering time.
Welcome to the show.
They give up for this.
They give up for this. Don't worry you.
Just kill himself for church.
They don't give up for you.
Yesterday I begged for offering. They don't
still give you. So, but how was the show yesterday, though?
Beautiful.
It was?
You know, not only me.
Somebody tell me, say you were amazing. And there's something I want to make you know. You see, on top of this show, I'm a strong personality.
Jeez.
He's a strong personality.
Jeez.
Together we are strong in personality in present continuous.
Jeez.
So when you come in the show and it's only me you see, no problem, you're gonna have a good time. It's only him you see, you're gonna have a good time.
Jeez.
Because when two of us come back together, it's like a volcano eruption. Yeah. You understand me now? So that is it.
Oh,
all for you, our watchers.
All for you. You know, any which way. Party show on the Friday P, chilling mode, Mayawa best day of the whole week.
Yes.
Tomorrow, weekend, and every grooving, wedding, relaxing, different things. Una welcome on top of the show.
End of story. So on this beautiful note,
no.
We want to tell you that we will go on a slight break.
Yes.
And when we come back from the break,
Malay,
we will give you a yarn. But for now, please give us a prayer.
Yarn.
I want to speak English.
Speak it for them. You
Let
see,
them know. Men.
Yeah.
Then they attracted.
Yeah.
To waiting their physical lenses. They see.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So before a man fits acknowledge the internal attribute of a fellow female.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
They have to be swayed away
by
in the awesomeness of the physical attributes of that particular female.
Speak to them, sister. Speak to them, sister. So it's really not about just the internal.
No, it's not.
They have to be something about the external.
But the external is directly proportional in the circumference of the internal.
Yes, and the square root of the brain.
Yes.
Yes.
That will now send the signal to your medulla oblongata cerebrum.
Exactly.
And now you now know that,
the propendum.
I like this baby oku.
Yes, you understand. Yes. So it's a joint factor.
So it's a process.
Yes, it's a process.
You don't go just see girl just like I'm not process.
Yes.
And now the process now we just explain.
Exactly.
That is the movement of the lenses to the physical down into the internal and then the assumption and the acceptance
and
wanting the particular figure.
Oh no!
Hey,
What are we still waiting for?
No
we
way.
Break.
Break.
We don't finish that. Break.
It's the end.
Oh my God. What do you think?
No. All right, okay. Make you just give you gist. Make you for no be like say we don't know what to do.
We are serious people, though.
No, we are very serious
but
people.
we do things in a very, very active way.
Yeah. We are quite artistic in our nature.
Very, very artistic in nature.
So, talking about the first gist.
Yeah, what happened?
I don't even mistake this gist. No, they throw away paper again. You know.
Sorry. No, who threw away the paper just now?
You were taken aback.
I was, it took me.
Yeah, it took you. It took you by surprise.
It took me somewhere else. I just felt some escalated.
You felt a particular token.
There was a token in the inner mitochondria.
Woohoo!
Liar.
Oh, wow. Ogbolo, shut up.
Wait,
you talk my head, don't come out. All right, so for the first gist this morning, Nasabi Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift, that singerist.
She be singerist, yeah. She sing.
She's quite heartbreak, eh?
Yeah, she's quite a very singer. We like to talk about as break. Leave this thing for two of us wide. No put up for single church.
Exactly.
Please. Now, this particular Taylor Swift thing, she done they sue this particular radio presenter. The name of that radio presenter, na radio DJ actually. They say over there they call them DJ.
Yes.
Not be DJ per se, but na radio personnel, presenter, DJ, and everything like that. Now, this guy they sue him, say he raised her skirt, come grab her bum bum.
Say the DJ.
Yes, the name of the guy na Muela. Yes, Muela.
He raised his skirt.
Come grab the bum bum.
But she not
now, the guy, she not really gets waiting to grab her.
Nah, just
okay, she raised his skirt, come grab the bone.
The bone,
Because me and Taylor Swift,
the extension of the leg.
we are really quite in the same category.
Now, extension of her leg. That's Taylor Swift.
Now, the guy can't talk, say, the guy said she does the send a false accusation. Say not be her, say not be him. Because he first of all fire her. I mean, first of all, sue her. Say then fire him from work because of that allegation and no be him.
Okay.
Later she can't say, na lie. I know you.
And I know your hand.
And I know your hand. So me, I can't wonder, maybe is there that there was a touching before for her to know that this hand is quite a molar hand.
Yes, she said, this is not molar hand. The molar hand, but it's a rough.
She said, look, not be the money. Say if I collect the money, anything when I collect from the court, now I donate them to charity.
Because she get money now.
Don't worry yourself. But this guy, they must prosecute him because he grabbed my bum indiscriminately.
He grabbed my bone.
Illegal grabbing.
Yes. Illegal. DJ is illegal.
So now they still talk whether or not the guy grab him or
it's a spirit
or something like
maybe
that. But that
is
the
gist. Or maybe not breeze. You say you know to get things for that place. Maybe breeze up look. She can say,
oh my God, who touched me?
You touched me.
I am Taylor Swift.
Oh, did you touch me? Anyway, you Taylor Swift, you are getting money. Leave this guy alone.
Yeah,
Plagues.
Much.
Anyway, for my own now, she say some people get magical powers, they don't know. Some people get superhero powers, they don't know. This particular woman now, Joy Milne.
Yeah.
Now for Bodo Ibo.
Yes.
She said, right from when she done they grow up, her nose they always smell different kind of things when normal people know they feel smell.
Okay.
You understand?
You don't be like that doctor when they feel pain.
Yes. You understand when they feel people pain. You know you feel the pain.
Yeah.
This one own up. Say you need to use his nose. They smell things. You just be like pregnant woman. Like that one we see before we enter.
Yes. When they perceive your body odor.
By body
Meanwhile, the body odor makes sense.
It's a perfume. It's a perfume thing.
If not like these people they smell like what Ogbolo's body odor. Oh God, no.
She just a holler because I say because you are pregnant. Your nose now they filter everything. Yeah, you understand? So this particular lady now, Joy Milne, say right from time her nose be that kind of nose. They only smell what people know they feel smell normally. Say but it can go another level when her husband she can't turn to 65 years. But she can't notice say she can't feel the smell Parkinson disease. Now Parkinson disease where they make people they shake. Now they worry for head.
When they make people they shake their face.
Muhammad Ali.
Oh,
when they make her
right.
they shake. He say she can't realize say she can't feel the smell that thing. How it takes start. She say her husband say she just perceive one kind. She just smell one kind odor for him body. She can't say this odor not be the normal one they smell from my husband body. And she don't look. It not too tay. The husband, they can't diagnose him with Parkinson disease. He can say, So at that point, the thing be never too clear for her head. Say this thing which they smell for him body, for the husband body, now he can later turn out to become saying a Parkinson disease. So later, she can't find out, say she can't go on, be like a hospital, where people never get Parkinson disease plenty. She can't they smell that thing for that place. She can't say, oh, now it's be they smell for my husband body that year be this. We can't later turn out to become Parkinson disease. So she can't tell some, scientists them. Say, look, I see how they be with my nose. If that's my nose, we help come and save the world. And they can't say, okay, maybe they do tests. They can't bring out 10 people. They can't carry t-shirts, give like 10 different people we get Parkinson disease. They can't say, okay, in 10 different people, we can't give them t-shirts.
Yeah.
Some get, let's say about 9 get, one no, never 2 get, you never ripe. They can't say, okay, make she smell the shirts them, make she tell them which of these shirts them. She feel perceive that thing, then they go know whether that's true or not. You don't go believe, say, this woman, she smelled the 9 right, and the remaining one, never ripe. She said, this particular person, in some months' time, this particular guy, this thing go worry him more. See me, they go carry the guy go hospital. One thing, not to take that same guy can't get Parkinson's disease.
Wow.
So her nose now, they don't carry and go into scientific things.
Not be say they come out and nose or
no.
He said they carry a nose.
They all put an they smell the whole world. This one is Parkinson's disease, yeah. So if you just pass that woman now, you just say, man, you ain't normal.
Uncle come.
Pack your load, go hospital quick. Before Parkinson's disease come and pack you up. You get it now. So people some people this country self, if you get those kind of things for body, you understand? But then they don't do anything.
This one will be something where them say, this one an advanced one because disease, now disease she smell. But you get somebody from my family, very close family. You as girl, I don't know how she dey do am. If she stand near you, if you like, make you be the neatest girl for this world. If she stand near you, she go know whether you get belle or not. Even if not belle na 1 week.
Seriously?
Yes.
They feel employer for employment.
How should they take no and no?
Some people don't say they don't get these things.
She fit tell you say you get belle, even you never know.
I know one guy who tell your age range.
Even you never know say you get belle.
Yeah.
I'm telling you this thing.
That means girls will run from mama.
Yeah.
They run from her. I know guy if you tell your age, you don't look like this. You say you be between this age and this age, and he must get them. If you mention 2, he gets 1. He gets one. So which one you get for body? If you get outside there and you get this kind of talent, or you get this kind of blessing, or this kind of things for inside a body, you are a magical hero, somebody. Let us not on Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, and then we are going to broadcast it to the world and let the world know you can help them to save every other thing. You understand me now? So we'll go break now. After this break, we will come back.
What, are you passing something?
Parkinson with this. That's what they do. That's what they do. They do like Mayawa.
Old days don't come.
Old days, you are torturing your brain, it's messing with your mitochondria.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mitochondria. That's a new one.
It's mitochondria, what I always talking.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria, yeah. It's in the body system.
Yeah, somewhere around the brain fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay, back to Yan the Yan now. I want to give you my second gist. Now, this particular girl, she did train herself through school. Now, for in the America place, it happened. I look really big.
Yeah.
It happened in the America place. This girl, she did train herself, go school. Of which, now she did work as waitress when she know they go school. She did pay her bill. She did pay house rent. She did pay everything payable. But you do waitress. Can't they use the help of camera too? They do some kind of thing and they can't thief a camera. And the camera is about $800. And you know, say for over there, if they pay for everything. If then thief, even if now $100, you go be like say then pinch you for body.
Because they pay.
Then they pay for everything. The taxes on everything.
Tax everything.
So this particular lady now, she can't go work one day. This particular customer, she does have her like 2 or 3 times. The customer call you and say, yeah, I see say you they snap picture. How come I not see you with picture today? Now the girl come break down. The thing like that.
Yeah, come on TV.
It break her down because she felt good. Say customer even notice. Say she they take pictures. That means she they try. She can't break down. Say Oga, I give her more.
I don't know.
I don't
Hey, don't come on TV. It's my hustle.
Okay, Ben, no. Because I don't know how I want to do my life now. Now in the Oga can say, hey, yeah.
Oh.
Don't worry, I know say some kind big restaurants them. Now person will serve you, they collect money. Even for here, for some kind places, person will serve you. Now you go bring that bill, something for you. You can't say, okay, no problem. You continue waiting in the chop. So when you can't reach time to collect the bill, now you can't leave tip of $500.
Wow!
On top food of $10 when you buy.
Bagaja. No, we are to clap for that customer. Customer
you can't leave notes. If you leave and there go, can't leave notes. I hope this helps you graduate.
Oh,
good luck.
Oh, good people see this world. Good people, they like me, like this guy. We plenty with good people. Why always happen now?
Shut up.
Now you tell the story now. Now you tell the story.
Okay, so if now me tell the story, you go explain.
No, now make me I just enter the whole team.
No, but why not say we good people?
No, now when I say me now, paddy now, we now. When I say us is when I say me now, us now.
No,
understand
they confuse
now?
me.
No, you can't be this shallow now.
Okay, I'm not shallow.
I know you are very deep.
It's you.
So you understand? So good people see the day. You get me now? Like for example, this guy is good.
Yes.
I raised them well.
It's quite good.
It's good.
Yeah.
You know, I raised that guy well. He's going after my moves. He's that good guy.
It's your friend. You know the guy now. When I go school together.
Of course,
this
man.
guy. Now that time he be rogue for school. You can't tell him say be a good boy. The guy. You can't tell him. You can't tell him be a good boy. Be a good boy. So you're proud of what he was saying.
Yes, he's going after my kind of moves. You know, because me I lift tips.
You know, say for a year now, if somebody do that kind of thing now,
yes.
The person will begin wonder, did he drop his phone number?
No,
there's possibility.
And this one no drop phone number.
You know, the guy don't even see him.
That is
now for inside this thing. So
that is good.
Congratulations to you and to go and buy another camera.
If not for you, that they want me to enter in Lakeji. You can go and blow everywhere.
Yes.
But our customer, you are a good person. You are a good person. Nigerian customers, let's learn from this. Nigerian customers.
You don't have to take number.
Outside China. Before now, China, they always talk, say, one Peking. No more. No, because they get population for the eternity.
One child policy.
One child policy. Now in China, they do since. You know, and different people, they come and say, no, we want born 2, 1 born 3, 1 born 4. Please, talk about caution about dream.
Don't cover our bunny cerebrum.
We like to bomb. So that because allow some people for rural, they say when are born like this, for urban, they say when are born like this. But last night, they don't come and talk, say they don't end the controversial one-child policy for inside China. You get me now? So Nigerians, when they say China, born away.
No, but they don't increase them to 2.
They're not 2 now. They don't end the 1 matter. They don't carry and go 2. Now say at least if you born 2. It's a progress move. At least I've born 2 at least. So young one okay, so now that is we always explain for our Chinese friends the way they decide whether they hear pidgin. They don't hear what we talk just now. You understand? So when I feel born 2, at least more than 1.
So I just want to tell you now, say apart from the fact that we they come carry gist, come meet you, we they come carry everything, come meet you. We say we also be inspirational speakers.
Yes.
You understand? And then we teach linguistics.
Yes.
And then we they teach language. You see, we just speak China now. Me, I they speak India, where they speak Latino, they speak Latin, they speak China. Ogbolo they speak French. Ogbolo give them French.
La pavone to lever.
That is it. He just say that believe everything where she talk. That and then they do sign language to talk something make I sign language.
Believe in yourself, because the road is not to the swift. Now only God will help you. Yes.
Yes. So just in case you are looking for our services, contact us at
Wazobia
Paddy
linguistic people, language, everything.
Teacher, yes.
Dance, comedy, talk.
We are very versatile.
Versatile everything.
In diaspora.
With the MC anything.
Yes.
Very adjourned.
Yes.
Yeah, every.
Yes.
So we are going to come back for Yan the Yan now.
No. And we are also a singer. You can call us for your event.
Oh, Coco.
Yeah.
Eh, le.
Oh, la, la.
Oh, na, yeah.
Na.
Shocky.
Shocky.
Naira. Gospel power. Now you want to take back this woman shop. See how many promote in the shop.
This one.
100 naira.
This one.
Continue to talk.
Na credit.
Right, I see the rate. You are stingy to yourself. I know you. You not be calling 100 naira for that man. Because the way.
No sit down. No sit.
Hello?
Okay, wait. Madam.
Okay, what is it now?
Why you come back from the motor?
What is the problem?
Who tell you to come back from motor? I see you dey drive, no seat belt. Number 2, you dey make call while you dey drive. Number 3, you come, dey drive recklessly, you want jam me. In fact, na quadruple offense you don't commit. My job is to protect life and properties for road. And me, I will protect you from yourself by arresting you. You know where seat belt. You dey make call.
Okay.
Who you be?
Please, I don't have time for all
Remember, yeah, who you be?
Okay.
I take you to my office. Stop.
What happened now? You say person shoot. So now here you dey protect the lives of citizens. No dey shame. Shh. Officer, which are you reading now?
Go tomorrow. You dey fall my hand though. So you follow us the road. Is that when you protect us?
Oh, police. Okay, so now today you be the no ordinary citizen, abi? You don't see a member bullet, no the respect uniform.
Come, madam, I never finish with you.
Katos,
With this,
what is this?
See you, officer, wey dey piss your body, no dey shame.
You never hear gun before?
what do that?
See,
Oh God, we did on top Instagram at Wazobia Paddy, on top Twitter. For Instagram at Wazobia TVNG.
Yes.
Follow me at Mayowa Lambe. Follow my darling at Ogbolo. And on top Twitter, na still Mayowa Lambe for Ogbolo na at Funny Ogbolo. And then if you watch us for YouTube, youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy.
All right, at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get better day.
Yes.
And of course, making a get better weekend.
Yes.
We love all of you now. We really love you, understand me now. So as it be like this now, we could just say we love all of you. You know, as your thing they always be.
Yes.
Because on top party show like this, we go say.
So we want to say to you,
God
have a beautiful, amazing weekend.
Yes.
And please learn not to drink and drive.
Yeah.
And if you have to drive, drink something like a pure water. It's really quite good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good for your body system.
Yeah.
And you will just be alright.
I mean. So we just hear some music as we dance out, and you have a beautiful weekend.
Yes.
On top the party show. You
Yes.
understand me now? So all right. So thank you very much. God bless you. See you on Monday. All right. So
give them
music, please.
Now this time we're not supposed to cut down. We're not
No,
doing anything.
no,
We're not doing anything.
No, cut this thing now. Oh yeah,
Cut this thing now.
one more time.
Okay.
The pause again.
Give them
and
pause.
then we'll go do this thing.
Yeah, so have a nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend. God bless you. See you on Monday. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.